Do the pig test. What do you call
It's blind.
Okay. Think about it.
You're recording this?
Think about it.
Yo, what is that?
He's like cheese. It's cheese, light. Yeah, that's a good one. But okay.
Good stuff, too. Why does it taste worse when you can see it? Why? You get awesome.
Because of the face you made.
It's pepperoni. Pepperoni.
Yeah, pepperoni. Okay.
Just put it in my hand.
No.
Oh, the cookie rip.
Great, yeah. Okay, this has a shell, so you gotta bite on it.
The noodles.
Noodles don't have shells.
The pistachio.
You're right. You're right. Okay. Cool. What's next?
Here we go.
No, you can't chew on it.
Oh.
It's not chewable. It's
Gum. Is that gum? It's gum.
It's fried out. Gum. Okay. Okay.
It's pathetic that I know every food here.
I think we're going to be gross. You know, like this.
Put it in my hand.
No, because people just tell it this way. Try it again.
Ew! Is that a quarter? Is that a quarter? Is that a quarter, Michaela?
No, it's lighter.
Oh, the Hershey Kids! Ah!
Okay, those are the last thing. A drink. It's a drink.
Ew, they're gonna taste that?
It tastes really good.
Are you sure? Oh, Tampico?
I wish.
I love Tampico.
Same color as Tampico.
Hold on. It's V8.
No, not. I don't drink V8, and I wouldn't expect you to either. Not me.
It's what? It's really good. What is it?
Your blindfold off.
Honey bee. Oh yeah, I got them all right.
Okay, now you go ask my mom.
What?
Go ask mom.
What? What?
I'll put them in the fridge first. Go ask her.
Alright.
And they can't be anything gross.
Alright guys, next Michaela's gonna do it.
Yeah.
She's a player.
I'll talk to you guys. But make a lot of noise when you come down the hall that way. Are you gonna finish drinking that lady? Okay. What? Yeah, get something liquid too.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. It's frightening. What's that? Oh. Okay. I don't know how to think. Wait, hang on. Okay, Michael, hold on. It's on. Is it anything gross?
No, bro.
Where?
You need to plug your nose. Some of the stuff you can smell.
Is it gross?
No! Just plug your nose.
You're laughing.
No! Just plug your nose, I promise.
You're laughing. Stop laughing. Why are you laughing?
I was just trying to tell how it was. Okay.
Right, put that over there. Do I clean up?
Yeah.
My mom ordered. My mom in here?
No.
Yeah, that's my mom.
Okay, plug your nose. Is it?
Human strength?
Yes. I've never done this before.
I clean myself. Is that pickle juice? Yeah. Oh my god, Jacob. What did you give him?
Pickle juice. Oh god.
So brave.
Oh yeah, I know. Right.
Corn nuts?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's no drink.
Huh?
No drink.
Is it pickle juice?
No.
Is it vinegar?
No.
Is it something humans drink?
Yes. Well, you know.
Did you grab any dog treats? What you need some dog treats.
Where's that? Pickle juice?
Yeah. Woo.
No, what was the point of that?
Okay, we have one more thing.
What was the point of doing pickle juice corn?
Because I wanted you to freak out. Hey, I'm not.
Is it an animal talking?
Yeah. Well, that's it, guys.
God. You're disgusting.
We're gonna go drink some more pickle juice. Bye, guys.